Hello guys, welcome to Legend. Today we are back here in the drone flight. We're in the area called Wanted Flats and we're going to take off, so I'm going to hand launch it.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Right, so it's in the air now. Let's just go up and let's just explore the area nearby. So as you can see the London skyline. Let's just go up, and another thing, there's trains over here, so we're going to get footage of that as well. So yeah, we're going to come back now. Look at the train coming, look how fast it is. That's a good way to start it off. Let's follow it. Yeah, the drone can't keep up with it. Anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go straight into 360 photo. So we're going to go up to the max height that we can go.
Max altitude
Really nice
reached.
day today. Stop recording. We can do a panoramic photo. Alright, so we've done a 360 photo. You can see it on the screen right here. Put in the description as well. Now what we're going to do, go back into video mode. And I realised I left it in 4K 30 FPS because I was trying some active track. But that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to try some active tracking on some cars. So I'm going to look for some cars to track. And I'm going to track it like this one. We're going to wait for the one that's going to come the other way. Actually, should we do this one? Let's try it. Okay, it's too small. We can't do it. We're going to do it to that van. Okay, we can't do it. It's too small. So we're gonna wait for some cars to come. Afterwards, we're gonna try and track the trains as well, if we can. But it's gonna move quite fast. So I don't think we can do it. So we're gonna wait for a car to come. Actually, we're not even recording. All right, we're recording now. Well, it's really hard to track it because it has to be moving slowly to start tracking. Oh, it's right, tracking. Let's track it. Yo, this is sick. We're tracking Alright, I lost it because of the tree. Anyway, let's go back to this area over here. We're gonna see the trains. I'm just gonna stay in this area. The train's large enough to track, so we're gonna wait for it. I can pretty much hear it now. Can you see it? Yeah, we can see it, look. We're gonna track it. Active track. Oh, okay, we can't track it. That's a freight train, look at that. That's really interesting. The train is too fast, I don't think you can keep up. So train spotting with the drone, which is sick. Alright, so this is a station, Manor Park station. Look at that shot, insane. Can still track it. We're filming in 30 FPS now. I want to film back in 60 FPS, so what we're gonna do, actually let's track some cars over here. Should we track that bus? Let's do active track. We're actually tracking the bus. Actually insane. The drone's doing this by itself. It's not even so I'm not even touching the controller or anything. amazing. So go a little bit higher. Let's go a little bit higher. I don't think we can. I don't think we have control of it. All right, let's stop. The drone's doing this by itself. It's tracking the bus. Alright, we're gonna stop it here. If it goes further, yeah, it's gonna go further. We're gonna stop it because I don't want to lose range of the drone. I'm gonna stop now. Cancel. And now we're gonna look for another vehicle to track. See, it tracked the road, which is insane. Let's stop recording. I'm gonna go back to 60 FPS. And then we're gonna come back. Actually, you know what? Should I make this video 30 FPS or? I was gonna do manual tracking of the cars. Actually, let's do a top-down shot. I'm not seeing any cars over here. Alright, let's come back now. We're over here and the sun is gone, unfortunately. I came out here on this sunny day only for the sun to go away, but what we're gonna do now, we're gonna look for trains. More trains. Alright. Active track is such a good feature. You know what? I want to go back to 30 FPS for that reason. Alright, let's go back to 30 FPS. Just so we can do active tracking. I might as well make this video 30 FPS at this point. Because most of the videos are at 30 FPS. I forgot to start recording again. Let's explore this area down here. The main road. And then we're going to track it. Right, we're going to track that Tesla. That's too small. Let's track this bus. Right, tracking it. See, it's stopped here. We're still tracking it though. Oh no, it started tracking the other bus. You know what? Let's track the other bus. It went in front of the other bus and it... Alright, let's keep tracking it. Let's see where it ends up. Alright, the bus is moving now. So the drone's going depending on where the bus is going. That is unreal. Is it going to lose it? Okay, it's not going to lose it. It's a bit slow though. I've never done this before. I never tracked a vehicle or any bus. Okay, lost the subject. Let's explore this area. Too much traffic, so it's gonna go quite slow. Oh, started tracking the van so suddenly. Oh, alright, the drone's losing signal. Oh, flip. Cancel. I lost signal. I actually lost signal for a second. I think it's returning to home. Alright, I've got signal back. It just suddenly started tracking the van, and I saw the drone go below the tree line, and I couldn't see the drone anymore. But of course the drone, I got signal again. Alright, so we're back in the area. So anyway, let's just explore the area. Let's go somewhere I haven't been before. Only problem is it's not sunny anymore. I'm waiting for another train to come, and what else do we track? Nothing really else to track. I'm waiting for a train to come so we can track it. Let's get some orbit shots of the area. Let's try and go down here and explore.
Max
max
altitude
height now.
reached.
Oh, there's a train coming. It's too late, we can't track it now because we're already high up. The drone can't catch up with the train because it's too fast, obviously. I won't be able to track it as well because the drone won't keep up with it. Let's do an orbit shot, yeah? We're going to do a point of interest, which is that tree over here. It's a bit of a large area to cover though. Oh, there's a train coming, so I'm going to track that. Actually, you know what? Let's get a low down. Let's get a top-down shot of this. Train's coming. Let's get a shot of that as well. Elizabeth line. It's a really long train, you can see the length of it. I want to track it. Obviously it's going to go westbound, so the drone's not going to go that far. I don't want to go that far. I will obviously lose range. Let's get a closer look at the station. So you can see the station right here, as you can see. Alright, let's do active track. When the train starts moving, and try and track it. Oh look, there's another train. Oh, I know what, let's just track it manually. It's good to track it where I'm going now because I need to land my drone in a minute. I'm gonna go in sport mode. That train is too fast. You know, I want to get a low down shot of the train. Of course, we're going to lose battery.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Let's get this kind of shot as well. We're going to go sports mode and we're going to follow the car. And as soon as we've done that, we're going to land the drone. It's quite hard to manage it in sport mode. I'm waiting for the car to come back and we're going to follow that as well. Then we're going to land at 17%. It's a long car. It's quite hard to track it in sport mode.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Hard to get a decent shot. Alright, let's land it now. Alright, let's just land it. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.